Hello and welcome to Acadlix LMS. In this video, we will explore the student dashboard menu settings in Acadlix LMS. The student dashboard is a central area where students access their courses, quiz results, purchase history, profile, and other important sections. With the dashboard menu settings, you can enable or disable the menu items, reorder the navigation items, add your own custom links or pages, display custom content using shortcodes, or choose the icons for each menu items. This gives you complete control over the student dashboard experience. So let's navigate to the Acadlix, then settings, and then dashboard menu. Here you will see all the default and the custom dashboard menu items. Each menu item includes an enable or disable toggle, a drag handle to change its position, an edit button, and a label showing whether it is a default or custom items. Let's first see how to reorder the menu items. To change the order of the dashboard menu, simply drag and drop any item. The new order will be reflected immediately in the student dashboard after saving. This allows you to place the most important section at the top. Let's navigate to enable or disable menu items. Use the toggle switch to control the visibility of any menu item. If disabled, the item will not appear in the student dashboard. This is useful if you want to hide sections that are not relevant to your website. Let's see the default menu items. Home. This item redirects students to your website's homepage. My courses. This section displays all purchased or the enrolled courses. Students can view all their courses, resume learnings, access lessons, quizzes, assignments, etc. The My Results section shows the result of all quiz attempts. It includes attempt summaries, score and performance details, and full answer sheets. This works for the quizzes attempted inside the courses or using the standalone quiz shortcodes. Next is purchase history. This section displays all the course purchases made by the student. A student can view successful orders, pending payments, or the failed transaction. Wishlist. This section displays all courses added to the wishlist. A student can revisit and purchase them later. Profile. This section allows a student to update their personal information, including name, address, phone number, website, and biography. Logout. This option logs the student out of the website. Let's see how you can add a custom menu item. To create your own dashboard menu item, click the Add Menu Item button at the top. A pop-up window will open. Let's enter a menu name. Enter the title that will appear in the dashboard navigation. For example, you can add support, resources, community, downloads, etc. Enter a unique ID or it will also get auto-populate using the menu item name. Let's select the icon from the available icon library. This selected icon will appear next to the menu name. Let's choose between the two menu types. Either it is a link or shortcode. Choose the link if you want to open an external or internal page. Enter the full URL including https://. The links added here will open in a new browser tab. Option 2 is shortcode. Choose the shortcode if you want to display custom content directly inside the dashboard. Simply paste any valid WordPress shortcode, for example, any contact forms. After entering all the required details, click Save Changes. The new menu item will be added to the dashboard instantly. You can also edit the custom menu item using the edit icon, and if you want to delete it, then use the trash icon. Default menu items cannot be deleted, but they can be disabled. After reordering or updating the menu settings, click the main save button to apply all the changes. The student dashboard menu settings gives you full flexibility to customize the student experience. You can show or hide the menu items, rearrange navigations, add custom pages and the links, display dynamic content using the shortcode. This makes it easy to build a fully personalized student dashboard tailored to your learning platform. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.